Yo, Billy, tell MJ we're gonna smoke these niggas out. 2-7.
Hello, welcome to Nilotic Gates. In this video, I want to send my regards to the Lango people all around the world. Lango is a Nilotic tribe by origin or by ethnicity, with majority in Uganda, but also they have scattered around the world. The Lango people have been genius, they have been resilient, and have been wise, with icons like Dr. Acholi, who led Uganda as a president. And with these Nilotic Gates, I plan that we need to embrace the culture of Lango. Much as enough has not yet been done in embracing it, we are going to do more than enough to make sure it is embraced. So in this video, I send a warm greeting to you and also request you to subscribe and follow Nilotic Gates on other social media platforms, because the future that we are trying to build via Nilotic Gates, via information, independent journalism and entertainment, to embrace the culture like the Buddha dance, will all be focused here. So God bless the Lango people. God bless you all. Thank you.
I'm guru to control the industry. Musically, business ain't got no sympathy, but good music is good music. You can't refuse it. Shit is crazy. Why would I pay much money for radio station to play me? With all the respect the street gave me, I was raised from the hood, but gangsta rap made me. I'm a hero. I don't Lapiro. Rhymes tunyi doga jalo.